tighten all my gear, including my chest protector, which is keeping me alive. I'm gonna go over this A-frame rock here, and I want to pick up a little bit of speed for that. Okay, here we go, I guess. Okay, stand up, get a pedal in. Oh yeah, baby. Steep and fucking tacky. Here's a drop. Lots of loose rock. Another drop into this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Fuck, that gets me every fucking time. I'm just glad I saved it. Okay, we'll do that again. This caused me trouble last time also. Fuck. Jesus. Honestly, I think that's the hardest fucking part right there. Take two. It took me first time I ever did this trail, I did not want to even fucking attempt it. Second time, which was today, I fucked it up first time also. Some of this just techie stuff, it just takes a few tries. There we go. Into more rock gardens, into this clusterfuck. My feet are going fucking flying. Woo! Okay, brake into this. Just choose a good line. Let go of the brakes. Woo! And that's how you fucking do stone soup. Damn. That's fucking crazy. Whew. Oh shit.